In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare GoHighLevel and HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which platform is a better fit for your business and how to think about the trade-offs between them. Let's start with who each platform is best for. GoHighLevel is mainly built with agencies and service-based businesses in mind. It's ideal if you manage marketing for multiple clients or want an all-in-one system to deliver services. HubSpot, on the other hand, tends to work best for businesses planning to scale with larger teams, especially if you're building a more traditional sales and marketing organization over time. Next, think about their main strengths. GoHighLevel's core focus is combining multiple marketing tools into one platform. It puts funnels, SMS, email, booking, and more under one roof. HubSpot's strength is different. It's centered around CRM performance and inbound marketing. It shines when you want to attract leads, nurture them with content, and manage a structured sales pipeline. When it comes to the CRM itself, both tools offer lead and pipeline management, but at different levels. GoHighLevel gives you solid basics to track leads and move them through stages. HubSpot goes deeper with more advanced customer tracking, detailed reporting, and robust sales management features. If your team lives in the CRM all day, those advanced tools can matter a lot. Automation is another key area. GoHighLevel tends to be stronger for SMS campaigns and quick automated follow-ups, which is great if you rely on text messaging to convert leads. HubSpot is stronger for email automation and designing longer, more complex customer journeys, especially those tied to content and lead nurturing. For building funnels, GoHighLevel includes its own funnel and landing page builder right in the platform. That makes it convenient if you want to build pages without extra tools. HubSpot's funnel features are more limited, and you may lean more on external tools or its forms and landing pages in a simpler way. A big differentiator for agencies is white labeling. GoHighLevel lets agencies rebrand the platform as their own, so you can present it as your software to clients. HubSpot does not offer white labeling. In terms of ease of use, GoHighLevel can have a steeper learning curve because it packs in so many features. HubSpot is generally known for a cleaner, more intuitive interface, which can help with team adoption. Both platforms support integrations, but HubSpot has a much larger app marketplace and ecosystem, which can be helpful if you rely on many external tools. Finally, consider pricing. GoHighLevel is usually more cost-effective if you want many tools inside a single subscription. HubSpot can start affordably, but costs rise as you add more advanced features and higher tiers for growing teams.